Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Casio W-218H with the module 3224. This is going to be a very affordable Casio that you can go and buy on Amazon. And as you can see, we have a very basic packaging. So we have this outer cardboard box, and here we have the Casio plastic box that can also be used as a support and also as a display. This is something that I really like. It had a small defect right here, as you can see. So the box came a little bit broken, but I don't mind that at all. Here underneath you can find the manual with everything that you need to know about the Casio watch. So for this exact model, here we have the tag with, once again, all the information about the Casio watch. And here we have the watch. As you can see, a full black version, but you can opt for others as well, so other color variations. I'm going to peel this off, and as you can see, a very beautiful and simple dial. We have the 3 buttons, as you can see, just as you would find, let's say, on the Casio F-91W, but this is a very nice upgrade. Now here on the watch you can see that we have Illuminator, so that means that we are going to have a very nice and upgraded light function compared to the Casio F-91W. Let's check it out very quickly. As you can see, the dial fully lights up, so that is something really cool. So very nice upgrade. Then we have start and stop here. So we have the chrono function, we have the alarm. The water resistance is 50 meters, as you can see right here. The watch strap and the outer case is going to be resin. I really like these Casio straps because they are very durable and also very good for summer. And if you have an upgraded version with 100 or 200 meters, you can easily go inside water. When it comes to the watch dimensions, we have a lug width of 44.4 millimeters. Then we have a width of 43.2 millimeters and a case thickness of 10.8 millimeters. As I mentioned, the case and the strap are resin. The strap is quite big and it is going to accommodate wrist sizes between 145 and 215 millimeters. The watch battery is going to be the CR2016, so it is going to last for around 7 years. Although when it comes to Casio watches, you can expect more, so you can easily get, let's say, 10 years out of that. You can press the mode button in order to see the different functions that we have. So we have the alarm, we have the stopwatch, we have the setting of time and date, and also, as I mentioned, here we have the light, and we are going to use this in order to switch between the 12-hour display, as you can see, and the 24-hour display. So you are going to get all those basic functions that you had on your Casio F-91W, for example. The interesting thing about this model is that if you set it correctly, it is going to have the auto calendar, so it is going to be set for 28 days when it comes to the month of February. So that is something really cool. This is how the watch looks on the wrist. As you can see, a very nice military look. I really like this full black version, but you are going to find other models as well out there. I like the strap. It really feels very comfortable, and you can adjust this loop in order to minimize the extra part that is going to stand out right here. It feels very well built, and I'm pretty sure that you can rock this with any casual outfit that you might have. So this is a great daily watch, especially since it is going to last for more than 7 years. It has all the basic functions that you need, as well as an alarm. So guys, that was the quick unboxing video that I had for you today. I'm going to post a full guide with all the functions and features, how to set the time, the date, how to use the chrono, the alarm, how to turn on and off the alarm, the beeping sound, and how to set it. So make sure to check it out, link in the description box below, guys, as well as a battery replacement tutorial in case that is something that you are interested. Once again, link in the description box below, guys. In case you enjoyed these types of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on the YouTube channel. If you are into vintage watches, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. I hope you enjoyed, guys. I'm going to see you on the next one. All the best.